if y'all don't know what Telfar is, just crawl from under the rock that you've been in.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come get your makeup. Ain't nothing made up, no. Watch me put a face on. I'ma get my painting on. Starting with styling 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 on.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's your girl Stylicorn, and I'm back at it again with another video. So today's video is gonna be something completely different, completely out of the loop. It's just gonna be like not a wig video. I actually caught myself a Telfeezy. I caught myself a Telfar bag. Now, if y'all don't know what Telfar is or who Telfar is, like, just crawl from under the rock that you've been in, because Telfar has been like the buzz of the 21st century, basically. Like, Telfar has been the buzz of this year. So if you don't know what Telfar is, just like, come on out and I'm gonna let you know what it is. So basically, Telfar is a luxury bag brand business, and it's owned by Telfar Clements, and it was established in 2005, but it's been like really on the buzz and like really popping as of like recently, probably since like last year. So I decided, okay, you know, the last drop happened and I decided I want to cop me one. Now, of course, this video is about to be how you can secure one. It's gonna be an unboxing and it's gonna be a nice little review. But before we even get into that, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified for when I drop more videos just like this one. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. I'm showing y'all the back of it because the postage of my address is on the front of it, but it's really just a regular brown box. They don't put nothing extra on it, which is fine, but as soon as you open it up, that's where everything is like, wow. I really appreciate the fact that they don't put anything on it, because people be reading labels and people be stealing, so we don't want none of that happening over here. Now, of course, I already opened up the box because I wanted to make sure that this was the right thing that I ordered. But we about to, you know, because I didn't really like open it to like really touch it and fill it up and stuff, but everybody about to be excited on this. Okay, so let's get right into it. So of course, when you open up the Telfar bag, it comes basically folded, right? It comes folded and it comes just like this. I appreciate the fact that Telfar, they have their logo on the plastic itself, and they have like a little duster bag inside with the bag, with the actual bag in the bag, which is in the bag, right? So like I said, it comes in a plastic. It's basically like a Ziploc bag, and this is how it looks. Now, the size that I got a medium, so that was the medium sized box that I'm showing you, that I was showing you, and this is how it looks. So of course, once you take it out the plastic, it has this duster bag that it comes in, which also has the logo, the Telfar logo on the duster bag, which is really cute. And you would want to keep this bag, or keep like both bags, so that when you have a bag that you're like not using, you can actually just put it inside of this one. So now we about to look inside of it and see. The bag that I got was the Azalea bag, and y'all, this is mad cute. Like, let me back it up a little bit. This is mad cute. Like, do y'all see this? Like, this is super cute. So of course I had to back up a little bit for y'all, but this is what the bag looks like. This is how it looks when it comes straight out of the box, straight out of the bag, straight out of the packaging that it comes in. Of course, they wrap up the straps right here so that it's not all over the place. The bag does come with a nice little tag, nice little logo tag on it, where it says like the contents and everything of this bag. Now, the details about this bag is made out of vegan leather. So of course, it has like a nice little feel to it. Has that nice leather feel to it. It doesn't really have like that leather smell though, but it smells like vegan leather. So this is how the bag looks. It has one mini strap at the bottom here, like a handle, and then it has the long strap if you wanted to wear it in like a crossbody, or if you just wanted to wear it over your shoulder, that kind of thing. Now this is the second bag that I've got, and to be honest, I will be getting all colors. You can tell Telfar Clemens that he will be taking all of my money. So yes, getting into the contents for the bag, it has two straps. So it has the hand strap right here, which is like a little handle that you could just hold, and then it has the like the longer straps, just in case if you wanted to wear like a crossbody, or if you wanted to wear like over the shoulder, like you can wear it that kind of way. These straps are non-detachable and they're non-adjustable, so just take that in mind. Inside of the bag, when you do open the bag, it's a canvas material, so it's like a what's it called, like cloth like material. The way you would close the bag, it has a metallic clamp that just snaps together. And then also with this bag, it comes with one pocket on the inside that gets zipped up. I do like the fact that Telfar does have the logo on the inside and on the outside. So I want to speak specifically on the outside logo. Like the outside logo is not like it's a piece that you can just like pick off or like put on. It's like it's engraved in it, like it was like a wire or something that's like pushing it up so that it makes the logo on it. And I really like that because that means like it can't come off. I'm really like adoring how this color looks. It's giving me like Barbie girl kind of vibes kind of thing. Like it's really like a magenta kind of color. It's so cute. Like I'm really feeling this. Now like I said, I told y'all this is my second bag. I already copped me a gold one before, so I'm just gonna show y'all what I have in my bag and what it can carry. So of course I have my phone. Of course I can put my laptop inside of it. I have my wallet. Like you literally can just drop that in there. I could probably put like 4 bottles of water in there. I have my lotion. I have a brush just in case, you know. What else? I have wipes. I have my other wallet. Like, you feel me? Forever broke. You feel me? I got my other wallet. I have 2 pairs of masks. 2 pairs of masks. I got a nice little bag for like, you know, toiletries like tampons, pads, and liners. Like I said, water bottles for days. My pair of glasses, just in case I decide I want to go back to school and sit at the back of the class again. My daily probiotics, you feel me? I have 2 wig brushes, like baby hair brushes up in here too. I got my pepper spray just in case somebody try to run up on me. What else I have in here? Oh my god, I've been looking for this lip liner. Like I got my lip liner in here. Like I got mad stuff in here. Let me see. Another pair of T-Mobile masks. Like I got a comb. Like this bag really fits a lot of stuff. I even have lip gloss, chapstick. Look at this. Hair gel. Like I have mad stuff in here. Like this bag can really hold a lot of stuff. And of course, to top it all up, I have a pair of keys in here, and I got my hand sanitizer. Like this bag can really hold a lot of stuff. Now I'm gonna show you how the bag closes. I'm gonna put this in there to mimic my laptop, and I'm gonna show you how it looks with all this stuff in it and see if it could close. This is how the bag looks with all that stuff in it. And then when you close it, oh hold on, when you close it, where is it? It snaps closed, so you don't have no problems, and you could wear it however. Alright, so now let me tell y'all how I secured my Telfar bag. Basically, it's like a little story time real quick, but I'm gonna tell y'all like other tips on how y'all could secure it, because Telfar be selling out like that, like in 2 seconds. You feel me? So basically, my girl Nye woke me up. Nye and Mai woke me up out of my sleep. 9:55 was like, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. So I'm like, all right, cool, whatever. Text messages to the group, tagging me, all that, you feel me? And they're like, wake up, get the drop, make sure you get that Telfar bag. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I'm on the website, 9:57, crusting my eye, everything. 9:57, and I'm just waiting for the time to go down, you feel me? So I'm seeing it's saying coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. Next thing you know, 9:59 come, I'm waiting. 10 o'clock come, boom. Click on it, it still says coming soon. Swipe out, swipe back in again, boom. I've added to my cart, and I'm doing this within like seconds. I'm literally like on my phone, like doing it within seconds. Of course, I have my card ready. I have my card right next to me, everything. I added it to my cart, went to my cart, and I started putting in my card information. Once you put in your card information and you try to like set it through or whatever, it says, all right, cool, you're next in line. Before you even put in your card information, it says that you're next in line. Then it tells you to go put in your card information. Boom. I put in my card information mad fast. Boom, 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 boom. You feel me? It's secured. Like, once you put in your card information, you have to make sure that you do it from 10 o'clock to 10 o'clock point 30. Like, if you wait any longer than 1 minute, you're not getting the bag. Straight like that. Like, you have to be on that drop ASAP, because everybody, including them bots and everything, go take that shit up. Now, tips on actually securing it without actually having to go through all that hassle. Like, say if you don't wake up at like 10 o'clock in the morning to do it or whatever, you can sign up for the bag security. However, it's gonna take longer to get to you. So you can sign up for it and get your bag from anytime from July to September. Like, you'll still get the bag. Like, you're in line to get in the bag when they drop. Just that you'll get it at a later time. Now, if you want to do it like how I just did it, where like you want it right away type of thing, then you got to make sure that you are up 9 o'clock, not 9 o'clock, but like 9:50 in the morning for when they drop. Make that 10 o'clock drop. You want to make sure that you have your card ready, or if you have it memorized, you want to make sure that it's ready to go. You want to make sure that you have your post notifications on Telfar's Instagram page to see when is their next drop. You want to make sure that you get emails for them to see when is their next drop. All kinds of things like that. Of course, they be posting on their story or post on their page saying like, hey guys, this is the next drop, 10 a.m. Pacific time, whatever, like the timing that they on. But you have to make sure that you are on it so that you can do it. And then as soon as it's time to get the bag, just make sure you know all of your information and it is correct, because as soon as 10 o'clock come, it is a race. It is a race to get that bag. Shipping was mad quick for this too. Like, I think I ordered it on Thursday, April 29th, I think it was. And then I got it the next day, April 30th, like right before I left to go, like, to do a 3-hour drive to Brooklyn. But none of the matter, I still had it like the day after, you feel me? And that's the perks of like ordering it too. Like, usually it takes like 3 to 5 days too, but I got mine literally the day after. So yeah guys, that's the ending of this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you want to see more unboxings. Let me know if you want to see anything like this. If you did like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, just drop it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for me. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Bye.